Well, summer's in full swing, and haven't I just found the perfect opportunity to cool down. A modest family home that's located just moments from Brown Park. Hi, I'm Trent Vivian, and well, as tempting as it is to jump in, we better go have a look at 79 Wellington Street, Mosman Park. Entry into the home, which is the second living area, you're greeted with beautiful wooden floorboards that are throughout the entire house. The master bedroom is at the front, complete with its own ensuite bathroom and a built-in robe. Moving throughout the home, you now land in the heart, which is the kitchen, dining and living. The kitchen has been tastefully updated with stone benchtops and maintains connection all throughout your entertaining areas right here. The minor sleeping quarters features 2 bedrooms with built-in robes, a separate laundry and a luxurious bathroom. The 4th room comes off the living area. Stepping out the back, which is north facing, there's a perfect balance of grass area for your furry little friends, mature gardens and undercover patio. It paints a perfect scenario for when you're entertaining your friends once you're done in the pool. The location, as I mentioned before, certainly stacks up. 120 metres from Brown Park, which is the perfect backyard that you don't have to look after. And then 320 metres away is Mosman Park Primary School, which the kids can walk to. So I look forward to showing you through this property shortly.